Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to repair Samsung TV remote control. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. External Device Manager. Device Connection Manager. If your remote control is displayed here, delete it. Hold down the return and play pause buttons for 5 seconds. That's it. Now you know how to repair Samsung TV remote control. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.